We're on our brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Boat's equipped. The outriggers. Those are the Taco Grand Slam 280s. Bait prep center. Two captain's chairs with vented backs, flip down armrests. Marinemax Pro 12-inch screen. 4-inch vessel view, fusion stereo, plenty of real estate up here for a secondary screen. This nice pilot house area, all glass with opening vent. Working our way forward. Down here we have our head area with a vacuum flush toilet, overboard discharge. Then walking to the front, we have this beautiful lounge seat here with flip down armrest. Nice social zone with seating. Flush mount deck on the bow with a through-hole anchor windlass. Guys, it's Justin Costello, Marinemax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.